say some crazy people full this European. Una go think say na joke I dey, my darling people. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, my darling people, may you go subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. You get one video where Mommy Yore do when I see. The video really shockalize me. Some men they crazy, they don't know. How you just call somebody for phone, begin to insult Mommy Yore like that? Who does that? That insult was too much. They know they insult person like that, my darling people. As I see the video, I say, no, I must talk for this video. Some men, they crazy, they don't know. I say some people don't they matter, they don't know. And you go just call somebody because say your wife, they follow Mommy Yore. You just insult her like that. That insult was too much. It was really too much. Who does that? You go just call person. Just the insult her. A married woman for that matter. Who does that? Some people are crazy. They don't really know. When I see they go control sometimes, see. Not be only who they inside house. Now they sickle. Now not the crazy. Now only people we wear crazy people cloth. No. Some people they crazy. They don't know. Some men they crazy for his house. You go follow mad this house. You don't go know. More now listen to this video now. When I go come here, understand what it make Lady J they provoke like this. Thank you, my darling. For subscribe and more help me share the video. More help me share am. More listen to what from me. So this video really makes sense. The whole world need to listen to this video. Help me to share the video. Bye.
Equal. Abo meme bo we bo. Abo meme wa mo ko top piano wa ya o me. We no piano wa jo hono me wa no iro tag mo na me o me. O wa je me no ko me no ru anu ru wa. Ikpi o meme bo we bo. Iya we ne yagwa me karata. Ikpi o meme bo we bo. Isi ahono ha me go. Wa jo say hallelujah. Wa ka wo wie na ebe bo hallelujah. Ikpi o meme bo we bo. Eri o te kaje. Ikpi o meme bo we bo. Iya vin Italy. Iya vin Germany, iya vin France. Ewe ha ni ya wa mo boje. Ikpi o meme iya bo we bo. Isi ahono ha me go. Wala wo eya ikpe ano gbera gbije ikpe ano gbokwo ikpe ano we mi me no gokwo ikpe ano simi go mo ne government ave lezu youth abo meme ni rogwa ikpe o meme bu we bo okpe ano we kian okpe okpe ani aba da oboka agui o ga we kian ideo o ga we kian. You understand? Italy the persecute me. Ugaenga ugawe no utie. Umana tie ya la daba kotavena ya tie no be the person la dia. Ikpe o meme bo we bo. Eri ikpe aka je be genete. Ikpe o meme bo we bo. Iku wanya message na. Wa mana ribute me wa Wa ke bia no kpia wa ka watch ene. Wa ri hospital ni ya check it oge. Awugwe o o me machine ya awugwe ho ihe me machine jo ugwe ho ye cheka berere erere wa se benye ola machine uwe ne doctor la wo na opianu hi ahu me ona opianu wa agbasu lafi we ne doctor chekere oge ni ya check ugwe oge abo pi o me bu we bu me gba bi pi na de na bi na woto o wa wo kan we wa agui ugwa tie pastor go wa ro bi pastor ge Wawa ka we wa agui ugwati prophet ogo wa aro yo wawa ka we wa agui ugwati era bi je wa aro yo wawa ka we wa agui ugwati bi je no re jemi wa aro yo wawa ka we wa agui omo no si aye Nigeria no ma be no ya bi ugwati wa aro bi je mai ikpe me bu we bu wa ebe ni tamu na warie wa manarie iya aju wa he sigo mo da o me ya wa o me mo bunse. Out of 100, 75 of them yahin. Niya la program na iya we pe o meme bu we bo. Ipe meme bu ipe o meme ri rotonejo we bonya yarije. We bonya yarije nya wa ije wa begere re magba. Iye na wa kokigo ti ona re bona wa mwegbe ona wa mwelegbe libia. O ya la we bo. Ije wa begere we ege kan oko eya ga mo ejo koko. Era wa ya kokigo iye na mwele we bo. Ikpe o meme bu we bo ikwo. wala wo we bege mi ya lelu wa gbe na ibi wa so o ma na dede gba won ya o bu e ke no wi eje o ma na we bege ya peku ya wa vi obeve ya wa vi ye ko gbogbogbogbo o we call police I go kill you ya igbo ani ya du egan ipe meme buwe webo mo receive calling ya ipe meme buwe webo wala wo wa go make a video na wa ga ni ya save woman ni ya dating ya boy ipe meme buwe webo eri ya Virginia wa Virginia wa egbe ni akere wa go meme ya hin o si ezo isunu ye seto we ko ni ya go meme ya ga hin ni buma wi wo wa ya ke ade webo ni buga ari ki o sa ya ke ade webo ni buga ari mi ki wo punpo ya ke ade webo ni bu e keri ana kokko meme uselu e ba ni jara ya ara otun yi jana wo ma be na wa we na we mo ade webo ori mo se webo na zebe e problem webo na lo dekun we e meme bu abo meme pe abun we webo. That is the reason why ne single mother nakpo o meme bu we webo. Wa forgetting we aje wu no mo se o me mu wo wa bun be webo o ge ni ana ila webo ni ya o me o wu wa ya hihin wa maro pia no me mo wu wa egbe oko we oko egbe we egbe oko we oko dogbonuje wo ma na teta government mi owo mo wo ma na teta wo pasun akoko mo wo ma na teta era ihinu wo ya ri o pe o jana bu yan adi egbe bia me bu be webo idene wage ama pike corner egba yan ga watch niga do me call it be me bu we webu imata me you no te message na o me yan wa bu we webu yan gwa gun on wa to me o abi yan ni me omo do bege yo fin Abi ya ni me homo do. Oyin ya wa to me o salobo. A message ni pe gien.
Hello brother me. O sa chinwe. Brother me, I have it done like wicked na. What me wo gwe okpa na. Uma we to me. Una was me wa rovi o hian me. Area ya we me. No matter which area ya we me. I can weni no watch him any mao when no we guana imawe we brother we no tie me ni as a responsible man sister Jory or madam Jory o can we wa follow we be give no ya ni e bo wa me scatter o wo ma ti me arrange o wo ma we agmama ma we la video ma ya kan do ya e ma kan do ya make I make no man I make I make a live video aging when I make a business make a key make anything at all I make a but I go on we ya una do no maro we yana who walk one no mona muria I go on yana true to God you don't talk as a man who they go on no be how can you call somebody no my me to there ma we magui kwati me o waso wa ro you can me tie me akpa tie me ozo area ya go try do makaje school try no kwale ke no na je school we vitaliva won try I wa color ma waso aro yo ma ni meke we live video me gbono na de brother you lack of wisdom I didn't treat you what you were try no wake up area ma ya go ina be respect we na be tie we regbe Giving we ya go e do ko no mu we nya na be we bo we mie ole so ari go ya me ya ni suse wa nyi se wa when we could my respect wa ma never respect ven we ya ti o nya me bonus wa ro bi o nya me we ga mi me bo to we ya me ti gu me go o be re bi send we message bon be re we ti ka to we ma ye be ke wo joja no nya me oni wa ya o ma no me respect Umana me respect ogonu mwigo no woboka wokonu jinwi na wogo dula wa bakota aye value we respect is very very important respect you have money you don't have respect you cannot even get that respect from your wife try and work on yourself woman eternal brother me try and work on yourself when wa ya nyi e man wa local gbe you people too local local community o wa hin o wa again deti me wa mi we o bi agbejua o you are too stupid to call me this morning without greeting me. You begin to insult my enemy. What have I done? Mo ba we live video na we watch here. Even we live video billions of billions. Huh? What's here me we but no what's one Joja ne you are you crazy? Are you mad? Emi ogboa. Who said it on the waweji? How many times of that female do begging? I be my boy ebe gwi wa. Don't want no phone ai. Huh? How can you have problem with your wife? Who watch your man or watch what's on road here? Imagine your man is see. Ni bavo gbelu wa ba gbon no wa zu wa gba you mad? Go we zu brother. Mere we gba. Are you crazy?
Ati wa dam yo, wa calling na yi.
Ona one local idiot in working. Why when I wa mami oku? Why when I wa equatorial respect? What kind of local life be this? You have a problem with your wife. You can't even settle with your wife. You begin to call that as a person. Why arrange your wife? Let them know your wife. What call the way? Man, what do we? We.
You beg huh? Imagine me care go you be robieme. Ina you be respecting eh. If I know